Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really sick, pretty sure I might be dying. I'm being dramatic, I'm not dying, but I definitely like 100% have a fever. My head feels heavy. I've got some swollen lymph nodes. I just want to shout out my friend Ashley, who totally gave me this disease because she was sick last week and basically had these exact same symptoms. So Ashley, I hate you for doing this to me. Just kidding, Ashley. I love you. So ignore everything that's happening here. I'm really tired and sick, and so I didn't have the will to get like pretty today. So instead I'm going to do a video that I really like watching other people do, which is showing their makeup collections. Now this is my makeup collection setup here at college, and I feel like these are the products that are like the best. Like they are the top shelf products because obviously you cannot bring all of your makeup to college with you if you're someone like me who has a lot of makeup. I have drawers and drawers of makeup back home. It's gotten to the point where my family, my friends will come into my room and just kind of shop my makeup collection because they know there's so much of it, and my sister has even stolen stuff and I like haven't even noticed because of just the sheer amount of makeup. It's overwhelming. Makeup makes me happy. That might sound silly to a lot of people who aren't in love with makeup, but makeup makes me really happy. I love getting ready in the morning. It's the best part of my day. That sounds really sad. I really love my collection. I spend a lot of time with my makeup. I spend the majority of my money on makeup, and this is what I love, and this is what really interests me and intrigues me, and testing and playing with makeup is really, really fun for me. And so it's just like collecting anything else, and I think people forget that when they like to hound me on my obsession with makeup. For a lot of college girls, this is extreme. It's over the top. I know there are also people who have way more makeup than me. I love my makeup. Alright, who's ready to see this? So this is my glam setup. It's a little corner in my room that is my favorite place in my apartment. Let's get started just over here. Well, first of all, I have this like little poofy thing that I have no idea where I got this. I'm sorry. I have no clue. Back here is where I keep my guitar. We love her. I've had her since I was 12. And of course there are a lot of stickers on this old girl. I do play guitar, I write songs. I've started this little photo shrine thing, which really hasn't gotten really far. Not that I'm like a huge Jeffree Star fan or a huge Kylie fan. Those have just come in recent packages lately. And so I just was like, oh, I'll put them on the wall. With some like pictures of my friends and stuff. I have Polaroids everywhere, so I'm probably going to be expanding to this soon. Over here is like the little window ledge, and there's a dying succulent because I can't take care of anything in my life. That's the state of my life, is this little owl right here. Yep. Then I have some flashcards because I study. Then I made this little sign. It's very poorly made. That says treat people with kindness and a Union Jack. Try to spread that message as much as I can. Why be mean to people? It's so much easier to be nice. And just treat people with respect, because that's what everyone deserves. Okay, and then moving on, I have more note cards, and that says self-esteem, but that is not, that's for social psych, so that's not like anything inspirational. That's my Polaroid camera, which I love to death. I love taking Polaroid pictures. And then let's move on to the fun stuff. So obviously I look super glam right now. I'm rocking this giant XXL sweatshirt with no bra because I can't be bothered. Okay, this is my favorite part. Like, this is so extra. It has my name on it. It is from PB Teen. I will find out the price and put it on this video when I'm editing it. It is so cute. It's like a trifold type thing, so if you want like these sections do move. It's so pretty. It's brushed gold, and then it has my name on it. I love things with my name on it because I'm just an egomaniac, I guess. I don't know. And then in the corner, I have Taylor Swift's Reputation Stadium Tour thing that came in, I think, a box of merch I got. Oh, love. I just really love Taylor Swift. Here. First products over here. I like to display like newer lip kits. This is the newest lip kit I got. She launched this last Friday, or maybe the Friday before. This is the Kylie lip kit, which I wore to formal and was actually really pretty. This is where I store my makeup brushes, obviously. This is a little cup that I got at Target. I didn't know if I'd like it originally. It's really hard to find stuff to store your makeup brushes in. It's a lot harder than I would think. Okay, and then these are a mix of Real Techniques, Morphe, I don't even know, Anastasia, MAC, a mixture of our brush friends. I have so many more at home, so I like to... This rotates my brushes. They rotate. Now within here, the center section is stuff that I like to look at, which is these lip kits, which are, again, like, I don't keep the packaging for like a really long time. I like to keep it with like products that I'm still like testing out or whatever. So these are some lip kits I got last month. This is a lip kit I am so excited for the holiday season, which is Red Velvet, that I have not tried yet, that I'm really excited about. So this lip kit is actually still in here. So they're where I keep my latest lip kits. Then this is where I keep my like little eyeshadow palettes. So this is an eyeshadow palette that I recommend everyone have like in their life. Is so beautiful. Is my favorite eyeshadow of all time. It's what I love to use as a base for everything. It's such a pretty shade. Back here is the matte, Just Peachy Mattes by Too Faced. I actually don't think this is like a really super great product. I don't think anyone needs this. It's just kind of like a fall rotation item. So I will switch that out once it's like officially winter. Over here are my like most used eyeshadow palettes, which are my Anastasia eyeshadow palettes, which are my absolute favorite formula of eyeshadow ever. I think if you're starting to really want to get into like higher end makeup, Anastasia is a great place to start, because something fell in here. Okay, Master Palette by Mario. Gorgeous. These are the standard Anastasia like eyeshadow palettes. These are stunning. Palettes. Everyone went crazy when this palette Modern Renaissance came out. I would say this is one of my favorite palettes I own. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so different, but it's like neutral at the same time. Yes, okay. So obviously I really like Kylie products. I really like her lip kits. So I don't need to go over every shade, I think, that I have. Right now I'm really liking the Kylie lip kit, which is called Kylie. Some of my all-time favorites of hers, I wore this one to my senior prom. This is Coco K, so that's like one of my first ones. I really like Bubble and Penelope. Those are like different and fun. Yeah, I'll insert a few swatches. These are the stars of the show, really. My Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks, which honestly, they're just really pretty. They're not like my most used or anything. I have the shades, what? This is Kim KW. I'll insert swatches here. This is Glastonbury. Yes, this is the best fall shade. And then this guy is Red Carpet Red. Yes, this is like this is a great red lipstick formula. I have some more products. This is one that Taylor's been wearing a lot recently. So obviously I bought it, which is Back in Vogue by MAC, which is actually stunning. So pretty. One of my favorite products of all time is this Buxom Balm, which is like a pH adjusting formula. I buy this for literally every single one of my girlfriends. Like, literally, they all get gifted this. I'm pretty sure everyone's tired of receiving that from me. And then this is another Taylor recommended product that I mentioned in my October favorites. This is Double Dare. That's a Rihanna lip gloss right there. And this right here is one of my all-time favorite highlights. This is the Too Faced, what is this even called? It's like a multi-dimensional something. The packaging is so cute. It looks like a little ring box. And I will say that it is just like stunning. Okay, let's get into what's in these drawers. I definitely need more space than this. I was trying to limit myself to one of these, but I think I'm going to order another one to go under here. This whole thing is from Amazon, by the way. So I really don't think there's really anything in here. This is like a little, like, eyebrow kit that I don't really use anymore, but I like to use the mirror in here. That's like a little concealer. These are just like overflow blushes. This is MAC Peaches, which is great. I got this because James Charles was really talking about it, and I do really like it. I just really prefer like shimmery blushes. This is a Charlotte Tilbury blush in the shade Love Glow. That's so pretty. Now this is like one of my favorite drawers. I have my contour and highlight palette from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the best. Oh, this is pricey, but it is the best contour for fairer skin. They also do have this for deep skin tone, but I can't speak to how that tone is, but this tone is amazing, and the highlight isn't bad. But this is my favorite contour product in the universe. Like Benefit blushes, I love. This is Dandelion, which is like really cute. This is my favorite blush of all time. Fun fact, which is Rockateur by Benefit. Loved this guy. Like, you can see the bottom of the packaging there. I really loved this guy, and I recommend this for any skin tone. This is gorgeous, amazing, subtle, but in the best ways. A lot of people don't like this blush, but I really do. It's the Papa Don't Peach from Too Faced, and this is my favorite NARS blush, which isn't Orgasm, surprisingly enough. It's Bumpy Ride, which is, again, as you can probably see from a theme of my blushes, is peachy toned. This is so pretty. I love that. Okay, final drawer in here. Whew. Highlighting products. This is my Dior Backstage highlighting palette. This is my favorite. Oh, it's so good. It's so gorgeous. Oh, it's so amazing. And this is limited edition, but they're bringing it back. So this was limited edition, but they're bringing it back this December, which is the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. Oh, I have a little drawer right here in which I store all my secrets. Ignore this, it's like my electronic apartment key, where I store all my secrets. Okay, so those are my lashes. This is just kind of what I'm using right now. I revolve on how I'm feeling about lashes and everything. I keep my Anastasia highlighting palettes back here. This is limited edition. They don't sell it anymore, but I think these were the best highlighters Anastasia ever did, which is the Nicole Guerrero palette. Oh, it's no point really showing you this because you can't get it anymore, but it's so pretty. Moonchild was really everyone's like thing for a long time. Those are like duochromed fun shades. Okay, and these are eyeshadow palettes that are big and kind of bulky. This is the Charlotte Tilbury, like the first eyeshadow palette they came out with. Honestly, this is not one of my favorite palettes. I think that for your money, there are so many better options out there. The Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star. Yeah, I'll just show some of my favorite shades. Based on my last video, a lot of people are wondering, why do you have a Natasha Denona palette in here? This is the Safari palette, and I exchanged the gold palette for the Safari palette. And these shades are really interesting. They're really, really beautiful. What I really liked about that palette that I did test out was the mattes, and this is an all matte palette, and none of these shadows are breaking on me, so I haven't formed an opinion about this yet. And then back here, the Natural Love palette by Too Faced, which I go to whenever I need to like fix a look up. It has every single like neutral shade you can think of. It doesn't have a lot of mattes in here, so that's good because I now have the Natasha Denona matte palette. But Nudie is a classic Too Faced shade. Makeup and Chill is a great shade. Satin Sheets is one of my favorite shades. Weirdly enough, the shade Poodle looks so pretty in the inner corner. So those are all Too Faced shades you can get in other palettes. This is the station, man. This is where I get glam and I glam other people. So that was my makeup collection. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Leave suggestions for what kind of videos you want to see next. I am so tired. I'm gonna go sleep and hibernate, but also do homework at the same time because my professors are being rude. And by rude I mean they're doing their jobs, but like I'm annoyed about it. I try to always be positive, so I hope you're having a really great day. Treat everyone with kindness. I hope people are treating you with kindness. And I'll see you in the next one.